Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get Robux and please donate. If you notice that your donation amount is not significant or close to zero, it is an indication that there hasn't been much contribution to your cause or project. If you see any amount greater than zero Robux raised, you can proceed with the following steps to check the details of your transactions. Locate and click on the Roblox icon to access your Roblox account and navigate to the relevant sections. Access your transaction history by clicking on the My Transactions option. Navigate to the Summary section. Choose the option for Sales of Goods to view transactions related to items or goods that have been sold. This will provide insight into who purchased the items and the associated details. Review the information provided to see who purchased the goods or items. If you notice that you haven't received the funds yet, it may be due to a processing time delay, indicated by the reason Pending Process. Typically, you will need to wait for 5 to 7 days for the transaction to be processed and the funds to be available in your account. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.